Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your engine air filter on a 2016 Mazda CX-9. First thing we need to do is just pop the hood. Just reach underneath the hood and you should be able to feel a little latch. Just push it this direction and lift up the hood, and then just pull this up here. This is our hood prop right here, and just line that hood prop up here with this little hole right here. And then our engine air filter is located in this little box or this little housing right here. And it's really easy to open this. It's really easy to change this air filter. You see down here there's a little metal clip. Just use your finger and push on it. There's another one right over here. Same thing. Just use your finger and pop it open. And then just carefully lift up the top of this box here. Now it's still connected to this intake tube, so be careful with that. And there's 3 little tabs on the back side, so just kind of pull a little bit towards the front of the vehicle as you lift it. That's all you need to do, is just lift it up enough so that you can reach in here and pull out the old air filter. So let's just grab this, lift it up, and take it out. Here's our new air filter. Part number is WA9790, and it's a Wix brand. And look at the difference there between the old and the new. Now, before we put the new air filter in, it's a good idea to clean this area out. Sometimes you'll see some leaves and debris build up in there. I like to just throw a little shop vacuum in there and suck out any of the dirt and debris so that that doesn't get sucked up into our new filter. And then we can just put the new filter in and just make sure that it sits all the way flush into that little recess, and drop that cover back down. Now, when we put this lid back down, I just want to point out something over here on this side. You see right here, there's like these little tabs on the edge of the box, and then there's these little openings right here, or little flanges that they go into. Make sure that they line up and go all the way in until this sits flush. Sometimes you can just give it a little wiggle just to make sure that it's seated properly. Then you can come over here and put those clips back on, and that's just as easy as taking them off, except this time you're going to grab it with your finger and pull it towards the box. And you see it just comes up and hooks onto that ledge. Same thing with this one here. Let's just put our hood back down, pull out this little prop right here, just line that up with the little carriage and clip it into place, and you could just drop the hood. And you're done. There's definitely no reason to pay the dealership or anyone else to change that for you. It's super easy, and as you saw, it only took a couple minutes. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same filter as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.